Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the global satellite industry. I'm Richard Hooper and this is Nadia Yegorova-Johnstone. This week we have news of the successful launch of ETL's new Dubai office, Trustcom's new Starlight Gateway and Orbital's new launch agreement. But first, Nadia has news from ETL Systems.
Yes, the company has revealed its plans to expand its presence in the Middle East by opening a new office in Dubai. This will allow ETL to provide faster technical and sales consultancy support, as many customers in the region already have ETL products in their satellite teleports. Mata Al-Ali has been appointed to manage the technical and sales support office, which will cover the Middle East and North Africa. He brings with him over 18 years of sales management and SATCOM's RF experience within the broadcast and surveillance markets.
The announcement comes at the same time as ETL plans to launch an exciting new range of products which deliver RF over fibre, and these will be demonstrated at CABSAT 2014 for the first time. A growing number of satellite teleports require reliable short-distance fibre links, and ETL is developing the new fibre range to offer the highest level of redundancy whilst maintaining the best quality of signals.
ETL isn't the only company expanding in the news this week. Trustcom has announced that it has begun its international expansion with the construction of a gateway in Cyprus. Initially, the private ground infrastructure will enable Trustcom to offer an enhanced version of its new Starlight mobile satellite services. Starlight, introduced in November 2013, is an end-to-end US-managed implementation of mobile satellite data and voice services delivered via the Thuraya Telecommunications Company.
The dedicated gateway is being built at SITA's Makarios teleport in Cyprus, a site that has been offering reliable solutions for satellite services for more than 30 years. The new gateway's data switching equipment is provided by Hughes Network Systems. The gateway's Earth station systems are provided by Integral Systems Europe. Now, Nadia, I believe you have some interesting news from the launch sector.
Yes, Richard, it is the announcement that Orbital Sciences Corporation has signed a commercial launch contract with Skybox Imaging to carry 6 high-resolution imaging and video-capable spacecraft into low Earth orbit in late 2015 from Vandenberg Air Force Base. The Skybox spacecraft will be launched aboard the Minotaur-C space launch vehicle, a commercial variant of the company's Minotaur product line that serves the US government market. The mission will be overseen by the same small-class launch vehicles unit of the company's Launch Systems Group that has executed 25 consecutive successful Minotaur launches since 2000. Financial terms of the agreement have not been released. In other launch news, Arianespace and Italian company CGS have announced the launch contract for the OptSat 3000 satellite. Arianespace also announced that it had signed a launch contract with the Israeli Space Agency for the vegetation and environment monitoring on a new micro-satellite mission. The 2 satellites will be orbited together by a Vega launcher in early 2016 from the Guyana Space Center. And finally, Richard, you have some news of a new generation of space platform.
Yes, Nadia, Airbus Defence and Space, number 2 worldwide in space technologies, has been awarded the Phase B contract for initial design work on the European Space Agency next generation satellite platforms. The contract, in conjunction with Thales Alenia Space, is worth €18.2 million. The new platform of Airbus Defence and Space will be designed for telecommunications satellites of between 3 and 6 tonnes. Lighter and smaller than the current platforms, it will feature an all-electric version, and in response to customer requirements will also be available with chemical propulsion systems.
This next-generation Airbus Defence and Space platform is expected to enter into service in 2019 as the subsequent Phase CD will start in 2015 for the development and manufacture of the first 2 prototype flight platforms. Before we go, just a reminder to register now for the free ND Satcom Sky One 5G webinar taking place on the 4th of March. To register, please visit www.ndsatcom.com. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.